How do we know when we found our way? When we found our purpose, our drive, our passion? Why do we wake up every morning and strive for more? To challenge ourselves, to push boundaries, to solve problems, to innovate. Why do we do these things? Since 1988, we paved the way for a better tomorrow, discovered breakthroughs big and small. We've established ourselves as pioneers of indoor environments, as leaders who are ushering the industry and the world toward a more sustainable future. We're the company that's always ready for the next challenge, the one whose air solutions provide greater efficiency and long-term value, the one that tirelessly works toward a better future. Innovation is the heartbeat of any great organization. But at AAON, we take it further. We test and refine our systems to make sure they are perfectly crafted, built and configured to perform in the most demanding environments. Our reps and customers are the reason we push. Spanning across the globe, they challenge us to continue to produce the best for the best. They give us problems to solve, barriers to break. Our communities are the reason we venture to build more than just products. We're dedicated to being mentors, advocates, and benefactors in the cities where we live. And it's only possible through the commitment of our people, their dedication, their willingness to take the hard way, the right way, day in and day out. So why do we do these things? Because it's the only way we know, the AAON Way.